Welcome to this video lecture on designing an e-brochure for webinars and e-lectures, etc. E-brochures are documents which we send online to inform people about the webinar's topic, date, or its link and other important informations. So it should be attractive and impressive. It is a very simple procedure to design an e-brochure. We can do this in MS Word or PowerPoint or Photoshop, etc. But in this video we will be creating e-brochures in PowerPoint as it is easily available. Even though PowerPoint has many inbuilt features, but anybody can need to know about only a few of them to design an e-brochure. Today I will teach you how to do this. First of all, we need to create a new slide or a new presentation, we can say, blank presentation. Delete all the inbuilt text boxes because it has its own formatting options, so we require to use our own text boxes and formatting options. Now, first of all, we need to learn about the page setup feature. For setting up the page, we need to go to the slide size and use page setup option. In this page setup option, we can give the width and height of the slide. So you can increase or decrease the size as we require. We will just decrease the width of this. We can also use the slide options here to change the orientation. Click on OK. So here we had changed the size. We can go to a standard size also, scale option. So this is a standard size for a PowerPoint screen. First of all, we will learn to input some text boxes and format it. So when we want to insert text boxes, you can see an option, insert text boxes. This is the feature we require to insert a text box and write some information in it. So every text box which we create has a specific feature attached with this. On right clicking the mouse button, we can get so many options for formatting the text boxes here. You can edit the text, you can increase or decrease the text sizes, format the shape of the text boxes when we input it by putting color, filling the color, changing the shape of the text box, etc. All are available here. Let's experiment with this now. I already have some text written in a Word file, so let's cut copy and bring it here. Copy, paste it in our text box. Some information for the brochure we have to write. All the information has been created and stored, and then we can collect it into the brochure. The text sizes should be some of the text should be highlighting and some of the text should give information whose size should be decreased or increased. The font sizes can be changed. The color of the font can be increased or decreased also. So let's bring it to the center. We can format the size by right clicking on it. Paragraph can be used. Paragraph feature will we can decrease the interspace distances within the text, etc. from this box. Okay, so this is what we have done. This is the way we insert the text boxes. Text boxes size of the font can be increased or decreased. This is 12 size. We can increase or decrease it. This can be also increased or decreased. We can drag the text box handle to change its position. All this can be done using a text box. Now the font color can also be changed according to our requirement. Now we will learn how to input pictures. Insert a picture. Insert option is there. In insert option, we can select whether we want to insert a picture, a table, or a screenshot. All features are available here for inserting pictures and tables, etc. But we can also cut and paste some of the pictures. Like this is a picture, just copy it and paste it in the PowerPoint presentation at the particular location. This can be dragged. It can be size can be increased by holding the corner and dragging it. It can be widened or increased in size. We can also format it. Every picture can be formatted by double clicking it. On this we get different options. We can do many things using this. We can change the picture if we want and put another picture instead of this picture. Different pictures can be grouped together. I will show you this. And then we can crop the picture also. Cropping means we can just take the particular portion from the figure by cropping it. So now we want to right click on it and format the picture. Formatting gives many options here on the right hand side. Like we can give it a reflection look, soft edges, glowing look, increase the glowing and decrease it. Many features are available here. All these can be used to enhance the picture by just right clicking on the picture box. As for now, we will be only taking this picture. Now, in an e-brochure, we require to put the link for the webinar. So, in order to create a link with a picture, we can use the insert option and shapes option. In the shapes option, we get a special kind of shape known as action button, which will help you to create a button clicking on it, the link shall be opened. So we have to give the click on it. So link option is available here. So in this, URL has to be selected. URL and giving the address. As for now, I am writing google.com. So this is the place where we need to give the link and then use add. Okay. So this box, whenever a person clicks on it, the link will be automatically opened for them. We can edit the text over it as register. If we want to change the color, we can go format shape, solid fill, and change the color to red color. This is the way we put a link attached to any figure. Now we have learned 3 things. 1. To insert a picture. Insert text boxes. All are text boxes of different sizes, and it can be placed anywhere on the screen by just selecting it, moving or dragging it over at a comfortable location. Third thing which we learned was how to create a link button. So these are the 3 things which we have to input in a brochure other than the designs. So now we will learn how to design a brochure. The easiest way to do is to go to the design option. Clicking on the design option will help you to get many already inbuilt templates. There are many templates here. Just click and see which will be suitable for you. Some are very colorful, some are very light, and so many options are available. Check which will be suitable for you. On clicking this, you can get the different colors also for the option which you have selected here. The different colors for one particular design has many color options like this. So whichever is suitable, we can select it. I think this color will go with everything. It has a little bit of design on the left hand side, and rest everything is looking fine. We have many options other than this also, which can be colorful, but we have to again adjust the write-ups so that it may not go under the dark colors. Many options are there. We can select whatever is suitable for us. This is also a good design. All things are clear. So we can select this as our e-brochure and design it easily. Now we will learn about designing these things ourselves also. Sometimes we may not like the templates given on the top here, but we can design our own template also. We will learn it. To create our own designs, we have many options available here, many colors available here. So one of the designs which I will make will be created by using shapes features. We can see that clicking on it, we have many different shapes. Using these shapes, we can decorate our e-brochure very easily. For example, one of the features I will show you, we can use a triangular shape at the corner. change its color using the format shape option. Solid color, we can put it as black color, as we are going to make this in black and red combinations, so we have inputted the black color here. We can also copy this and move it to any location I would like to put it. We can rotate the figure in a particular direction such that it can be placed in some other place also. Just fix it at this location, the corner, and let's insert another shape and make a new figure in it. Click the handle and just rotate it. You can see a yellow button here which will help you to increase or decrease the angle of a parallelogram. We can place it and send it to back. The send to back option will help you to hide the gap between it. We can also increase or decrease the length and width of a parallelogram. We can also change the color of it by using format shape and solid fill. Color palette can be opened and give it a new color. So this becomes a shape which will be looking better. Now we will go to the shapes option again and take another parallelogram to make a design on the right hand side, left hand side. Use the handle to rotate it such that the line can be fixed. We can increase the length. We can also change the angle of the parallelogram at a particular angle. So the first one can be moved even down. Copy this figure and paste it and rotate it to 190 degree such that one side of it may be parallel to it, and then join it such that the two edges are touching each other. Now these two triangles have joined together. The first one we will give a different color we can give a solid color as red, and the other one a darker shade of the red color. We can get more colors from the color palette. A darker shade can be used. Okay, so now we can send it back. Send to back option will be given. So we can see that it is looking like a shaded portion. We can also change its color to a little less dark using the color palette once again. Now it's looking like a shaded color. We can combine these two figures together by selecting both of it and clicking on the option group. This group option will combine these two pictures. Now we can copy the whole picture together. Copy and paste it. So we get many ribbons. Paste it. Or decrease one size in a decreasing order. Paste. This will give a beautiful shape to our e-brochure. In this way, we can create many designs which look beautiful and attractive. We can insert a text box for giving the date also here. I have got it pasted over here. So this can also give you a better figure. So the first page of the brochure has been completed. Now this is the general information about the webinar. Now we can create another page. Insert new slide. Another slide can be created, and then we will add the other information for the resource person and all the other information in the second part. In the second page also I have inputted in the same way the picture is to be inserted. These are some of the pictures. All the pictures can be formatted. For example, this particular figure can be formatted by just double clicking on it, and you will get the various options for formatting this, or you can use from here also. So many options are available here for the picture options. Design, so click on it. Let's crop it into different, giving different artistic the crop option available in the picture format will give crop to shape. In this we can use a circle shape to give looking more effective. Click on every picture and give it a give any shape to it. crop to shape in a circle format will look better. All the pictures are in a circular format now. You can increase, decrease, or change the shape to oval or anything. So many different options are available for picturing. Now the text boxes can also be arranged in a straight line. These are all text boxes which I have talked about earlier. All the text boxes, these are all different text boxes which can be placed suitably. Now these designs were also created and copied into. We can move it to any location. If you feel wherever there is a blank space, you can insert. This has been turned upside down. Each picture can be rotated and put in a location. So this has been created. Our 2 pages of e-brochure has been created. Now the most important thing is to save it as a PDF format. For saving it as a PDF, save as, this is a PPT, this is a PowerPoint type, but PowerPoint types use a lot of space, so it may be difficult for you to send it to anybody through WhatsApp or email. So we need to convert it into PDF format. The PowerPoint has an option, file format. In this you can select PDF option and this will be converted as a PDF. Now this has been published as a PDF file. We can see that this PDF file will be helpful to be sent over online. So here ends our class on how to create a e-brochure. Thank you.